Welcome to another hair tutorial. Watch me go from this to this using all Amazon products. Hey guys, welcome. Watch me do my hair with the Toyotress Passion Locs with curly ends. They are 10 inches. They came with 8 packs total, and there are 12 locks per pack. I got mine in the color OT30 27, and they have been fantastic. So, what I will be doing in this video is installing some crochet braids. As I said earlier, I got these products from Amazon. I'm not sponsored yet, but hopefully one day. So I have my crochet hook, I have my Moisture Miracle coconut oil that I put in my freshly washed hair, and then I have started blow drying because, as you can see, I have my nails done and I needed all the help I can get. And I wanted to show y'all that I actually do have hair. It just shrinks so much. So this time I decided to do some pre-parting because I would say I struggle with that the most. I am not a licensed or certified cosmetologist, but I can whip up some crochets lickety split. That I know. So, like I said, I pre parted my parts this time just to make it go quicker. And instead of me doing the traditional crochet install, I love doing the invisible method. So I go in with my Black Caster Miracle Braid Lock and Twist Gel, and I just use that just to clean up my parts, specifically in the front because nobody can see the back, okay? So I don't know where my rat tail combs went, and all I had was this little edge brush, but I strongly encourage you to use a rat tail comb, which I did promptly buy from Amazon after this video. But yeah, I just use a little to clean up the parts and smooth down any flyaways before I start with the invisible method. So I took the parts and I made 3 small boxes to start off with. Because, when you do this, you want to make sure your parts are comparable to the braids or twist you will be using. So since I had on my grippers, I used rubber bands. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I have 4C hair. It's like slim thick, I would say. It looks very thick, but it's also kind of thin. But surprisingly, it has not eaten up my edges to date. And so I use rubber bands when I want my crochets to last a little longer and just to make sure they're as clean and tight as possible, but not too tight because you don't want those tension points. So basically, I cart my little boxes and I do some twists or braids, and then I connect it to the next box, as you can see here. Then in the back, I'm gonna do some big old chunky cornrows. I did not even part with the comb in the back. I ain't gonna lie to you, because again, it don't matter in the back, okay? As long as it's secure and can hold on to these crochet twists, you are good to go. So I think I have maybe 5 large cornrows in the back. You can see them right there. Pretty good for me with nails and my cornrowing capabilities. But this is the final product for the foundation. I have 10 rows of the invisible or individual method at the top, and I think 5 big stinking cornrows in the back. So then, just with the crochet locks, I go in and I am going to install them basically onto each rubber band in the front. And that is how you get a more individual look instead of your standard crochet cornrow look. So as you can see, I'm just using the crochet hook that came in the pack, and I go under the entire braid because again, I have rubber bands up here, and then I grab the end of the lock and just pull it through. I'm going to show you this process a couple of times, and if you're not familiar, I'm sure there are tons of videos on YouTube as well that show this process maybe a little better than me, but I could also come back and do a more detailed one. But again, you just insert the hook in your braid, loop it through the crochet loop, and then pull the end through. And then I'm just gonna do that for the rest of my hair. So in the front, I am sure to just install the locks according to however many boxes I parted. In the back, I'm just filling it in, and I'm really going, I think, about 1 to 2 finger widths apart in the back. Now, you're just gonna see me install the rest, and it's coming along very well. I'm happy with it. And that's basically what I'm gonna do for the rest. So I finished the front, and I had 3 packs left in the back, which I believe were 36 braids, or locks, I should say. And then I just put them in, like I said, 1 finger width or 2 finger width apart. As you can see, everything is covered. It's not as full as it usually is, but it looks very natural to me, and I'm very happy with it. So then I take my Goipel oil and just grease my scalp because it feels so wonderful with like the pulling. But even with the crochet method, thankfully, you're not going to ever be pulling too tight. And this is the final product. It is so cute. I love the ombre. I love the natural look. And I will be doing this again. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, follow, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.